Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine. Today our topic is about use of a and an. Dear students, do you know there are 26 letters in English alphabet. English alphabet के 26 हरूफ होते हैं. A, E, I, O, U are vowel. A, E, I, U को vowels कहते हैं. And rest of the letter are consonants. और बकाया हरूफ को consonant कहते हैं. Dear students, when a common noun start with a vowel sound, जब इसम नकरा वोवल आवाज़ों के साथ शुरू होते हैं, we place an before it, तो हम इनसे पहले an लगाते हैं. For example, an urn. An urn. Urn is a common noun. Its starting sound is a. So it is a vowel, and we put an before the urn. An urn. An urn. Students, when a common noun starts with a consonant sound, जब इसम नकरा कॉन्सोनेंट आवाज़ों के साथ शुरू होते हैं, we place a before it, तो हम इनसे पहले a लगाते हैं. For example, a candle. A candle. Candle is a common noun. Its starting sound is k. So it is a consonant, and we put a before the candle. A candle. A candle. An eggplant. An eggplant. Eggplant is a common noun. Its starting sound is e. So it is a vowel, and we put an before the eggplant. An eggplant. An eggplant. A basket. A basket. Basket is a common noun. Its starting sound is b. B. So it is a consonant, and we put a before the basket. A basket. A basket. Look, this is an elephant. An elephant. Elephant is a common noun. Its starting sound is e. So it is a vowel, and we put an before the elephant. An elephant. An elephant. This is the tomato. This is the tomato. Tomato is a common noun. Its starting sound is t. So it is a consonant, and we put a before the tomato. A tomato. A tomato. This is an envelope. This is an envelope. Envelope is a common noun. Its starting sound is e. So it is a vowel, and we put an before the envelope. An envelope. An envelope. This is a sack. This is a sack. Sack is a common noun. Its starting sound is s. So It is a consonant. And we put a before the sake. A sake. A sake. This is the tractor. This is the tractor. Tractor is a common noun. Its starting sound is t. T. So it is a consonant. And we put a before the tractor. A tractor. A tractor. I hope you understood this lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Dear students, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment the videos. Thank you very much.